Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to allow people to duet, stitch and save your TikTok videos. So for that we have to go to our TikTok app. Here I am on my profile. Then you have to go right here in the top of the page in the right corner and tap on those 3 points. Then go to privacy. And then scroll down to safety, and here you have downloads, duet and stitch. So as you can see, this is for only me, so I will go to stitch and turn this for everyone, so now everyone will be able to stitch my videos. Then I will go to duet and I will set this to everyone, and the same for downloads if you want everyone to be able to download your TikTok videos. So that's it guys. Another important thing is that if you are under 16 years old, you will not be able to duet stitch or save videos. And also, but what you can do about this age, you can go and check out our other video where we are showing you how to change your age if you are under 16 and how to change your birthday. So make sure you check that. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.